One of the easiest ways to use bok choy is just to saute it and eat it as a side dish. To do this, you'll need a large saute pan, tongs, a 1/3 cup measure. You'll also need 1/3 of a cup of low sodium chicken stock or water, your clean bok choy, plus salt and pepper, and a stovetop. If you're using large bok choy, cut the stalks into smaller pieces, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch in size, and discard the root portion about 1 inch from the bottom. Baby bok choy can be eaten whole or cut in half lengthwise. Heat your pan on the stove, add the bok choy and the chicken stock or water, and bring it to a boil. If you're using baby bok choy, you'll need to keep turning it to cook it evenly. For chopped mature bok choy, stir it a few times while it cooks. When the liquid is almost gone from the pan, check to make sure the stalks of the bok choy are just tender, about 5 to 8 minutes depending on the size of the vegetable. The dish is finished if the stems are tender when pierced with a fork. If you still need more time, you can always add more liquid. I like to add low sodium soy sauce to mine while it cooks. I think it adds great flavor. Otherwise, once it's tender, just sprinkle on some salt and pepper. Another great way to use bok choy is to slice it and sprinkle it on any dish you would typically eat with cabbage. Whether it's tacos, pozole, caldo de res, or another dish. And for that, you want to use the crunchy stem part. Slice it thin so it's about the same size as the cabbage. There are just so many ways to use bok choy. I hope you love this vegetable as much as I do. For more recipes and healthy tips, visit CalFreshHealthyLiving.org.